Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows updates installed, GPU drivers up to date, and that you run a 64-bit OS. Next, launch the Riot client as administrator so it can modify protected files. This solves permission errors. Once done, close overlays and resource-heavy background apps to reduce conflicts. Then use the built-in file verification to repair corrupted game data. This addresses missing DLLs and checks some mismatches. Doing these steps first narrows down causes and saves time. Once initial checks finish, focus on deeper fixes. Uninstall Riot Vanguard completely, reboot, then reinstall Vanguard as administrator, because corrupted anti-cheat often blocks the game. Next, reset your network stack to clear DNS and socket issues. Run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, then netch winsock reset and reboot. Make sure to disable VPNs, custom firewall rules, or third-party anti-cheat tools temporarily. These can block game authentication or create timing issues. These middle steps resolve most connectivity and anti-cheat failures. To finish, perform a clean reinstall of Valorant. Uninstall the game, manually remove leftover Riot and Vanguard folders, then reinstall from scratch. This eliminates persistent file corruption. Once reinstalled, check Event Viewer and Riot logs for exact error strings so you know why an error persists. If problems continue, create a clean Windows user profile or test on another machine to isolate system-level issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see the error, capture logs and include timestamps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.